Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business workspace brand image fix using adaptive wide angle in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a creative workspace image. I pause because workspaces reflect business culture. The wide lens has distorted the room slightly. I duplicate the layer carefully. I open adaptive wide angle inside camera raw filter. I draw constraint lines along desks and walls. I pause and refine the correction. I zoom in to inspect laptops, boards, and branding zones. I adjust scale gently. I zoom out and feel balance return. Now I add business brand text and align it cleanly. The final image feels modern, organized, and business ready. Thank you for watching.